Welcome back to S&J Bass Fishing, everybody. In today's video, we're going to do some live bait fishing, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got it all set up here. Got a little hook, bobber. Let's get the worm on. So this is the worms that we're using. Just your little Canadian night crawlers. So pretty neat little worms. Brand new, buddy of mine got them. So we're gonna grab one out of here. Let's see. Now we're not gonna use all of them. We're gonna just use, probably cut them off about right here. They would just sit up like that. And then this, we're kind of testing out. We're going to see how good it works. It's going to be for our rescue that we got coming up. We're still waiting on the water levels and stuff like that to go down. It's almost there, but if you want to see, so far, it's working pretty good, I think. So we're going to see how it goes. We'll get into more depth of that when we get that video coming up. So, and you guys remember Logan. Say hi to everybody. Hi. Yeah, he ain't been on a video in a while. So I figured, what the heck, let's get him here. He's the panfish king, or queen, whichever you want to look at it. Just had something splash right there in my line. Better turn that down before I end up getting the copyright hit. Keep forgetting to turn my phone down, because if I have music that isn't YouTube approved, they'll hit me with a copyright. Oh, Logan's got one. Oh, Logan had one. Oh, well, this sucks. Oh, hey, look at there, I got a fish. Can you believe that, Logan? Walking out here because I was snagged, and I ended up getting a fish, and he's barely hooked. There you go, guys. It's a competition between me and him, always. Do you want to, the next ones we catch, do you want to put in here? All right, see if we can't get it to work right. Get it to work. And two, we can still do catfishing if you want. We can still do catfishing if you want. Get a pole. Huh?
You know, I'm always down catfish.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, I always have for big spots.
And of course. Right. Yeah, because I mean, I know stuff out here will get, we'll eat what we got sitting over here in the corner. Oh, nope. Got him, guys. Got another one. Little dink. Little dinky. Hey, he'd work perfect for bait. You want to put this one in the cooler? All right, guys, we're gonna see how this works. Yeah, he's swimming, so we'll see in a little while and see if he's still alive. Oh, look, we got another one. Looks like that one's a decent sized one too.
They're small.
Yeah, that's a good one. Let's see him get put in the live well and see how he does. Slick little suckers. I hope you guys seen that. Logan was walking up there and ended up hitting his head on the bar. Oh crap. Damn rock. I had one taking it and I...
That rock.
Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. I am not a pan fisherman. By far, guys. That was perfect. Oh, snap. Almost freaking hooked myself. Hey, that'll be the biggest catch of the day. I'd be the biggest PB. I don't think I can beat that 250 PB. I mean, I could always catch Logan over here. You know, he's hitting about that 500 mark. All fun and games until somebody gets their eye poked out by a hook. At least it's not a treble hook.
Sure.
About to go there and get the Guggen pole. Come down here, tie another hook. Oh. Oh, son of a biscuit eating bulldog. Dummy me, I forgot to set the hook. I'm an idiot, guys. I know. Go ahead and laugh at me in the comments.
Okay.
Can laugh at that guy too. You would think they'd be going nuts over here with you know, water being well, that and just being in shade. Dang, did the bite get shut off or something?
Do what?
So did the bite get shut off or something? Like, it don't seem like they're doing much anymore.
I like this one.
Oh, you got one. Yeah, look at there. Logan got another one.
I like these ones.
Oh yeah, look at that little guy. That's a bluegill.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, son of a biscuit eating bologna hunky.
You're not bologna hunky. This is bologna.
And Logan got another fish. There you go, guys. You got another one.
Nice little slab. I'm going to throw this one back.
Yeah, he's a big guy. Look at that. Little dragonfly.
He's dead. It's a bait.
Yeah, you can use him if you want to.
What's up with leaving me all the small pieces?
I'm just breaking them off. I ain't really doing much else.
So, what is that now?
What? Oh, that's like 3. Something like that.
Maybe what, 2?
1.
Even better.
Because I only caught 1.
I'll try and be nice and do the next one. And don't be giving my rock without luck now.
Uh-huh.
Did you try to cast out here?
Yeah. Oh, darn thing tried taking off my worm. Look at that, guys. Little guy. Yep. Do you want them in there? Or? Oh, yeah, they're doing good so far. Camera was on for that one. Oh, that was good. I literally just turned it on, and as soon as I got done and it started recording, that's when you went in. I'm hoping it did too. Don't worry, guys. I'm still fishing with, different bait other than, this. I'm just tying this on here, and then we're gonna put something special on the other pole. Oh, son of a ding-a-ling. Gotta love the bird nest. Bird nests are fun. It'd be funny if I just threw that out there. Just throw it out there and I ended up getting a fish.
Why are you trying to mess it?
Huh?
Why you were trying to mess it for a minute.
Yeah.
And then just starts.
Oh, son of a bit.
What kind of bit? 3/4 bit? 1/4 inch bit? 15, 16?
I'd probably say quarter bit.
1/4 bit? Okay. Where's your line at?
I ain't got a clue. It's everywhere.
Tim, I got a small problem. I can't reel any further.
Logan's got another one, guys. He's caught like 6 or 7 of them. I just haven't got them on camera.
Man, I tell you what, I love this shirt.
Yeah?
Things are still comfortable and
Hey, buddy. All right, guys. I decided to, I know it's not live bait, but tie it on a hot dog. I'm gonna see what it can do. Say hi, Junior. Say hi, Junior. You playing peekaboo?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
I see
You say hi, Junior. Junior. Say hi. No? Junior's being shy today, guys. Alrighty, well that's out there, kind of. We're gonna go ahead and throw our 10-inch Mondo and see what we can get. Oh, snap. Excuse my language. Oh my God, guys. Holy freaking cow, guys.
Spider.
Ain't even that big.
That's my spider.
Look at that, guys. Nah, he's barely hooked. Look how he's hooked, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Dude, he hit that thing hard. Like I'm talking.
I was really watching how your pole was going and how the line was going. I was like, yeah, that's a good sized bass, or that's a cat.
Right. Well, dude, did you see how the line bounced? Like it freaking went up and then. Oh man, guys, that was good. That was a really good sized fish. For the most part, I mean, that thing was a fighter. Could have sworn though, I thought it was bigger. Alrighty, guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We're gonna see how these guys here are doing. Oh yeah, they're still good, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and call on the video, and you're just got to stay tuned for that.
No.